Hello, everybody. My name is Juan Antonio Salomon. I live in South Texas. I love the book by Mexican writer. He's already deceased, Salvador Borrego Escalante. He deceased actually when he around 2017 when he was 100 years. Salvador Borrego. He wrote a book called La Cruz y la Espada. The sword, in English, is the sword and the cross. Uh, I love this book so much that I wanted to have this book be written down by English people, English speaking people. So I decided to go and make a translation from Spanish into English. The tools that I decided to use is because actually you might be able to know that I studied graphic design from my Upwork profile. I decided graphic design in South Texas College. I learned the Adobe programs, Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop. But later on, I learned it with my father's business, which is commercial publicity and advertisement. I learned CorelDRAW, and I think CorelDRAW is one of the leading graphic design programs out there in the graphic design market. Why? Because it's not only a vector program; it's actually a editorial designing program. You see, it has integrated editorial designing tools to be to be very similar to InDesign, because in the Adobe programs, InDesign is separate from Illustrator. Illustrator is the vector program. Photoshop is the image edition program, and InDesign is the editorial design program. So with CorelDRAW, both vector tools and editorial design are integrated into one program, CorelDRAW. So it's a great advantage because as I go along making that translation, I already have a template of how I want my information to be keyed in. So I have already a designing. So by the end of the process, I'm going to be able to right away publish, either by printing or making a PDF or input into some web page. So it's already ready for publish. That's a great advantage. I have it in two columns. You see, I have a little, stylish stuff in here. With the CorelDRAW environment, it's just like a graphic design program. We have pages, and something very useful is that within the environment of where I'm working in, I can import images from Google. This time I import. This is actual JPEG. You can see it's a JPEG with the pixels right here. I downloaded this English grammar image from Google, which is Linking Words, where I can right away go to the grammar resource and right away be able to translate very properly as it should be in English, with linking words, opinion, concession, purpose. This is an image that I imported into my CorelDRAW environment. First, when I began the translation, I used the actual physical book. But then, as I was into the process,